Hi, my name is Michelle Moore, and this presentation for the Palace was created for Entrepreneurial Marketing, which is part of the Masters of Entrepreneurship degree program at Western Carolina University. The Palace is the place where dreams become reality. We specialize in themed birthday party celebrations that include games, face painting, storytelling, dress up, photos. There are concerts, fashion shows, and the ultimate spa experience. The ideal clients for these theme-driven parties at the Palace fall within 3 age groups: ages 4 to 6, ages 7 to 9, and ages 10 to 12. And our first year, we will focus on parties that are designed and targeted towards girls. The primary demographics for the Palace would be elementary to middle-age girls. Now, since this business will be based in Elizabeth City, North Carolina, I've given a snapshot of what this group looks like in Pasquotank County, which is where Elizabeth City is. I collected this information from greatschools.com for Pasquotank County. There are approximately 4,152 elementary and middle school students. I give a 10% margin of error, and therefore that drops it to 3,737. Now, of this group, I found that approximately 47% were females, which is a little over 1,700. Now, when I looked further and from a socioeconomical perspective, about 70% of the group had limited resources, which narrows my number once more to a little over 1,200. And when you consider the group that are girls, it would only make my client base, my target base, a little over 500 students. 500 girls to be exact. Of this group, I am looking for a section that has discretionary income. Geographically, where are people spending the money? Now, I'm targeting a 25-mile radius where Elizabeth City is the base, but it encompasses 3 more cities, which would be Camden, Hertford, and Edenton. And to bring a more narrow focus, I'm going to be looking at dance studios, because dance studios are where parents are investing funds. What little girl hasn't dreamed of being a princess? We even use that word to describe their behavior. Disney created this magical image that little girls want to imagine is a reality. We just capitalize on that fairy tale. The types of parties describe phases that the age groups develop through. For instance, 4 to 6-year-olds would be the princess era. The diva era and pop rock star era would be for the 7 to 9-year-olds. And then you have the 10 to 12-year-olds who no longer want parties, but they want experiences, so we offer the spa experience to them. From a behavioral standpoint, parents that invest in dance, now that could be ballet, tap, jazz, contemporary, lyrical, there's hip hop, point, and creative movement. They are opening a door to a dream. Parents are not only investing in dance lessons, but they also invest in costumes and tickets. I have never seen an empty dance recital. I searched Facebook to find dance studios within my 25-mile radius service area, and I found 4. Beside each studio is the numbers of followers. As you can see, for 3 of them, the followers exceed my target area just for school-age girls. Facebook is the ideal landing spot to circulate these created memories. Connecting with this group will not only be fairly easy, but it will also be fun. I still have connections from my daughter's dance studio, and I am active in her school and in the community. I will utilize social media. The Chamber of Commerce is a great way to connect to businesses as well as individuals. Dance recitals will be a prime target as well as church youth groups. I think the most common frustration will be from the clients themselves. It's called attitude, and more attitude. Children actually believe that they are the character that they play, and they actually play the role very well. They wanted to be treated like a princess, like a diva, and like a pop or a rock star. We create the world they believe. So the time they are at the palace, we will spoil them. We become the servants, the personal assistants, the hair and makeup artists. We transform to make their dream a reality and create lasting memories. Punchbowl.com says this about theme parties. While not every birthday party has a theme, the ones that do will leave a lasting impression on guests. When the guest of honor chooses a popular character for their party's themes, the guests may be more excited to attend. The average parent will spend $250 to host their child's birthday party. The ideal little princess, diva, pop star, and socialite are waiting to be, and the palace will be the place where they can come alive. Thank you so much for listening to this presentation.